Hey everybody, Rat Dog here, and welcome back. Well, finally got my power on. It was off for about 24 hours. It came on about 5:30 this morning. So, whew, that was rough. The last time we had a windstorm, my power was out for 8 days, and I lost everything. Luckily, I only had one tank at that time. I still lost everything, and the video is on a playlist down somewhere. So anyways, not bad. I did have one casualty. Little green tiger barb. He didn't survive. He was in the smallest tank. I was, I couldn't get to him. I was taking care of everybody else. I tried everything I could, but he didn't make it. Everything else, I mean, there's nothing in there, but yellow damsel's still hanging in there. Corals are opening up a little bit. They're happy to see some light. Everybody in this tank is fine. I just fed them. And everybody in this tank, other than the glass, is good. Man, this morning, this tank was 62 degrees. And that goby was, I didn't think he made it. He was sitting there, and I looked very carefully and could tell he was just barely breathing. So he ended up surviving. And then my big tank, everybody survived on that one. I guess I should have put my filter on the thing. It's kind of cheap. And that's not going to work. Anyways, everybody made it here, so averted disaster. All right, just a quick update. Thanks for watching.